left blooming alone. All her lovely companions are faded and gone. No flower of her kindred, no rosebud is nigh to reflect back her blushes or give sigh for sigh. I'll not leave thee, the lone one, to pine on the stem, since the lovely are sleeping. Go sleep thou with them. Thus fondly I scatter thy leaves o'er the bed, where thy mate of the garden lies scentless and dead. So soon may I follow when friendships decay, and from love's shining circle the gems drop away. When true hearts lie withered and fond ones are flown. Oh, who would inhabit this bleak world The moonlight dances among the trees. The camphor glows in the autumn breeze, and I am lost in my thoughts of you. Remember me, recuérdame. Our comrade strums on a sad guitar. My mind is drifting to where you are. I'm holding you as I used to do. Remember me, recuérdame.